I know, it really is. And I think a lot of people, we are over winter. We were ready for spring, and Mother Nature had different plans for us. Satellite and radar is quiet right now. We do have some clouds out there. That's about it. If you head up into parts of Wyoming, a few thunderstorms out that way, a little bit more to the west. Our storm is now already over parts of Utah into Nevada, and that's a big area of low pressure that's swirling around, bringing all that precipitation off to the west. It will cruise through Colorado overnight tonight through tomorrow, and then eventually make its way over into parts of Oklahoma and into Kansas by Thursday morning. And since it's still close to us by Thursday morning, we will still have the chance for snow and very, very gusty winds. So timing it out for tonight, again, we have some clouds out there, and then in the early morning hours tomorrow, we start to get some snow over on the western side of Colorado. Front Range Eastern Plains, we're just a little bit breezy at this point, and maybe a few clouds out there, but overall actually might be a nice start to the day. Then we quickly fill in towards the Front Range by lunchtime, have a chance for some rain, maybe a couple quick thunderstorms for us, still have that snow in the high country. Then that could change over to rain and snow into Denver probably a little bit later on in the afternoon, between about 1 and 4 o'clock. That could finally change over for us. Some areas will start a lot earlier, some will be a lot later, and then our eastern plains will continue to see heavy snow overnight Wednesday into Thursday. So we do have a blizzard warning all the way from parts of Wyoming down into El Paso County, and then out into parts of Nebraska and into Kansas. Front Range and out towards our northeastern plains, anywhere from about 4 to 8 inches of snow. Down in El Paso County, a little bit less than that, gusts up to 60 miles an hour, and that's what creates that low visibility, which are those blizzard conditions. Visibility could be down to 0. I would not be surprised if I-70 is closed in some areas out near Lyman once again, and then parts of I-76 as well. We do have winter storm warnings in place from Wednesday night into Thursday, and we can see maybe our northern mountains about 5 to 10 inches, out to the west maybe about 8 to 16. Areas like Golden, Boulder, you may see strong winds, but about 3 to 5 inches of snow. And then we also have winter weather advisories for areas down to the south. We could see about 6 to 12 inches from areas like Crested Butte down towards Telluride, and some of those San Juans could see up to a foot of snow. Also with this storm system, we're looking at very gusty winds. It is blustery in many areas right now, and we're going to continue to see that. So we do have high fire danger still in place tonight. Wind advisory for the western side of the state, red flag warning through about 7 o'clock tonight out for the eastern plains. And then tomorrow we have a high wind warning from 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Thursday, gusts up to 70 miles an hour. Mix in that snow. It's a little bit tough out there. Temperature is still nice outside, though. We have 76 in Denver, 79 in Greeley, 80s in the southeast, 50s and 60s in the mountains. We have 75 from our weather watcher Weldon and Carol Schneider in Battlement Mesa, and 78 degrees earlier today out at DIA, 79 downtown. So we didn't get to the record, but awfully close. And right now it's 75 degrees here downtown. It's just beautiful. Tonight we have a lot of temperatures in the low 40s. That goes out east as well. 30s in the mountain areas. And then tomorrow, really our highs are kind of a moot point. Temperatures will be warm in the morning, and then they're going to continue to fall through the afternoon. So don't worry about the high too much. 38 degrees on Thursday, 46 though on Friday. And we are still windy on Thursday with this storm system continuing to pull to the east. Again, driving tomorrow afternoon and evening could be dangerous in many areas, if not impossible. So just be extra careful. It may not be as potent as the last storm system we saw, but it still will pack quite a punch. So please be very careful.
Oh, we all know about it, so we can prepare for it.
Exactly.
All right, thanks, Lauren.